Hello, chemistry learners. Today we see about the osmotic pressure. In previous video, we see about the osmosis. In osmosis, the solvent molecules moves from one concentration to another concentration through the semi-permeable membrane. This process is known as the osmosis. In this process, the volume of the solution is increases. So there is a chance of overflow of the solution. So to prevent this overflow, when pressure is applied and this pressure prevents the flow of solvent is known as the osmotic pressure. Then this is the osmotic pressure and setter. The solvent is moves from one concentration to another concentration by using this semi-permeable membrane. See, here the volume of solution is increases. So there is an pressure applied. So this pressure is known as the osmotic pressure. The osmotic pressure is the one of the colligative properties. It depends upon the number of the solute present in the solution, not the nature of the solute. So it mathematically explained by using this formula. Pi is equal to CRT. Here pi is the osmotic pressure and it's directly proportional to molarity and temperature. R is the gas constant and T is the temperature. Here the molarity is explained by N2 by V, where N2 is the moles and V is the volume of the solution in liters. By the osmotic pressure, the solution is classified into three types. One is isotonic solution, hypotonic solution, and hypertonic solution. In the isotonic solution, there is no osmosis because it has the solution outside and so inside the solution has same osmotic pressure. So there is no osmosis. And in hypotonic solution, the osmotic pressure of the solution is lower than that of the surrounding. So the water is moves out of the hypotonic solution. And in hypertonic solution, the osmotic pressure is higher than that of the surrounding. So the water is move inside the solution. So from this video, we have clear idea about the osmotic pressure and it's how classified into three types. In next video, we see the another interesting topic. Thank you for watching. Thank you.